Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami crawling toy model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this crawling toy model we'll need a rectangular strip. Let's first fold it from the center. Fold it like this into two halves on both sides so that you get a crease. Now you fold it like this and you fold it like this, one on this side and one on that side. These are again just to make creases, so no need to worry about. This goes in like this, as you can see, and this goes in like this. So now we'll pull it and make a triangular slit like this. As you can see, this just goes in here. And now you fold it this way. This is how it looks. We'll just cut it. Oops. We need to cut this section here, and that's it. So this section you will put it here and here like this, and this is the crawling toy. As you can see, let me just put it ahead like this. This is the friction with which it goes ahead or below. We need slight movement here, as you can see. Oops, it's not going. Let's try it out like this section. Oh, it went. Let's try it again. See? Till the top. Again, decorate this with eyes and nose and whatever as you wish. First time it may not come, but second time onwards it will definitely go ahead, as you can see. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. That's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's very easy model, so go ahead and make one and enjoy origami. But don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.